Good evening.
Everything same. What do you see in the class? You know, you have
CBSE है
okay, अच्छा CBSE
नहीं
CBSE का triangle and ICSE triangle
नहीं it's in nostalgia that means done before but it's not done before.
No sir, no sir.
What happened? What's the problem? All of you be quiet now. All of you be quiet. I will tell now, I'll talk to you. Okay. Oh, what?
80 marks.
Who is that? Who started 80 mark guy? Priyanshi, sorry, Priyanshi, you want to sit in the class? Okay. Yeah. Gauri, when coming Sunday, which other chapters are coming for the test?
Quadratic equation,
Quadratic
ratio
equation,
proportion,
ratio proportion,
solving problems,
remainder
remainder factor.
or matrices, which is on. Did
Remainder.
you check? Did you check? Who knows the syllabus? What is it? What is it?
Sir, quadratic equation, solving problem, ratio proportion, and remainder factor.
Remainder factor theorem. Now. Oh, okay. Okay, you are correct. What is it? Be there only. You will come over here and all this one will occupy. Sit separately. Why I am telling this one means, then you people will study better. It is not that, now, listen. So today, those who attended the MEPS session and ended the class before 5 o'clock.
Huh?
Before 5 p.m. came for the lecture. Me started the lecture before 5 p.m. Sit down. Means at least 1 hour for the lecture was there. This many was there before 5 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many worksheets you done? Which is the worksheet you done? GST.
Level 2. GST level 2.
I
have done 3 GST level 1. Sir, 3
all of you done GST?
Yes,
okay.
sir. Level
Now, be quiet.
No, 3 worksheets are.
Okay. All right. All right. Those who came, you also came before, huh?
He came at 5:24. 5:24, yeah.
Okay. You taken it. Who else has come for the this on MEPS? Only you? Those who are standing, who are the other people who come for the MEPS? When did he come? You sit down. You came?
Yes, sir.
You. Who else? Those who are standing over there. Huh? So that you are not standing now. Get inside. Till every day your problem is there now. Yeah. Huh? One is there. You are in the class late now. Go. Okay. Now those who are standing over here. Quite a lot of people, I am telling you, those who don't want, that is something different. If you are not, what is meaning of MEPS? You please stand up.
Sir, nothing I did, sir.
No, nothing you did, that's the problem. You move to that side. Now the next is I need a place to be for this. Oh no, inside. Seriously, I'm telling you. Now, maths to get mark. If you want to get the mark in maths, only one way to get the mark by practicing. If you are practicing at home and if you are doing well, fine, we are no problem. But if you are not at home also, you don't practice. Here also, when the practice sessions are not coming, you are not coming. Then this way, now it's coming. June is getting almost now. Today is 19th. That means another 10 days only. So it's already, you can count 4 months are over. Like that, the months will run. At the end, the exams comes, marks doesn't come means, then it is your problem. Those who are really, there are people are standing over there. I know there are people are doing very well also there. Those who are standing, but those who are not preparing and you are sitting at home wasting your time means, please come and attend your extra practice session. The following people, Arnab, it is compulsory. Why didn't you come for this one? Huh? Out, over. Now out is will be completely out from the system only. And Shabdul, yes. Why did you come?
Sir, I will come.
And not I will come in the next session. Next. Amen. Why did you come? Not required. I don't know. You? Huh? You? problem from next session is different. You, sorry sir, copy. Next, you, not required. Yours, Bilal, why did you come? Not required. Other people, I feel maybe you're doing, I don't know, how is your performance, I don't know. Other people maybe, these all, whomsoever names are called, you all have to compulsorily come and do the research. Sit down. Now, second, this Sunday you have 4 chapters of maths.
Yes, sir.
Please practice and appear. Because why I am telling this one, immediately these all chapters are there for your periodic test. No, periodic test means semester exam. Okay, first semester. Please do why I am again and insisting. What is the reason I am telling you? 20% is your internal assessment. The school teacher will check these all marks, not the UT mark, but your school mark. To get the school mark, you practice all year. When you do well, equally you do there. If the marks are less, means teachers will reduce the internal assessment. So please, that is why I keep on every time telling, making you to remind you, do it seriously. Where is Snehal? Not there. Kancha. Yeah, okay. Now, attendance is gone, no? Attendance is come? Yeah. Here behind also. Second, now listen. And another one. Now this weekend and last weekend, that is what happened at this. Yeah. We had doubt solving sessions were there. And even coming week also. From this batch, I didn't see anyone for the doubt solving session. Other batches, there are people comes, they are coming and are asking the doubt. Maybe people are very expert in these all things, not required to work. Okay. When you practice, the doubts will come, so please clarify the doubts if you want. Okay. Now we are done. This an AP is completed.
Yes.
All the questions are done.
Yes.
Nothing else is left out now. Huh? 10.5 is done now.
Next point, move it up.
10.5 remaining.
I think we started or what? Have we started? Yeah, this one. This man, can you hear me? This question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 10 point.
We have not started 10.5.
I have to check the homework. That's it. Yeah.
Doubt.
10.4 down.
Yes.
What's the doubt?
Second question. I can.
You can do. Okay, Gauri, stand up. You can do. Then why do you tell I can do it? Read the question. Let's read the question, Pratham.
Split 207 into 3 parts such that these parts are in AP and the product of the 2 smaller parts is 450.
What is the problem here? What is your doubt? Who else has that second question? Someone else said. What is the doubt over here?
What is it?
There are 3 terms of AP. How do you take the 3 terms of AP?
A minus
C
C.
minus D and S.
Now their sum is equal to how much? 207. Yes or no? Split into 3 parts means what? Their sum is equal to.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
But the splitting was the problem.
Okay, so just is equal to
Your sum is equal. What's the value of A you got?
A is 69.
A is equal to 69. Because it is coming as what? The product, this one 3A is equal to. Then product of the smallest of 2 terms now.
A minus D into
A minus D times A is equal to how much?
4623.
4623. Put the value of A.
69
69 minus D. Why 69 square? Into 69 is equal to 4623. Easy. 69 minus D is equal to 4623.
right.
You will try 69. Cancel and simplify. You will get the answer.
69.
Okay now? Sit down, sit down. Yeah. There are 4-5 acids continuously talking still. Yeah. Anything else? The other problem.
Not
Huh? You're okay now? Yeah. Okay now. Now the question number, this is unsolved exercise. Exercise 10.4 we are done. 10.5 also I think we are done. Only one sum only done.
Yes.
No.
10.5 we are done now. 115. First sum is done now. Second sum. Yeah. Take out the second exercise, second sum. What is it? What should I do? Tell me. Why will arrange you go and take it from sir? Yeah. Then why did you give to sir? Yeah. What happened? What happened? These you people should not give the notebook there. No, you should be. You are not required. Now, question number 2. Read. Can we read the question? One of you read.
A, B, and C are in AB show that B plus C minus A, C plus A minus B, and A plus B minus C are also in AB.
Okay. So how do you do it? A, B, C are in AP. A, comma, B, comma, C are in AP.
Yes.
Then you have to show that B plus C minus A. You know?
Yes.
B plus C.
B plus C minus A, C plus A minus B, A plus B minus C are also in AP. What is in bracket? Oh. These three are also in AP. Sophie wanted to explain. Huh? Then who wanted to explain? Look here. Direct method is this one. You can find out B is equal to A plus D. C is equal to. If ABC are in AP, B can be written as what? B is equal to A. B is equal to A plus D and C is equal to A plus 2D. Then simplify this one. T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. Is it same thing is coming? If T1, T2, T3, if they are in AP, then T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Are you following?
Yes.
That way you can do. Can you apply any property and get it? Your hand is this girl. Your hand is. Okay, do one thing,
That can be tried.
Huh? This method you can do, try. Can you do it this one? Ravi?
Sir, B minus A is equal to C. B minus A is equal to C. If A plus C, if A, B, C are in AP.
So that is same thing in A plus D and B plus C.
And
Look here, I will show you this way. This way you can do it. That one, You see, But listen, all of you. You know what are the properties of the AP we written in the book? So that is in the book only, What is the properties of AP written? If each term is added, multiplied, or subtracted by a fixed number, the resulting term is an AP. That which you have written now. Now I'm going to do that one. See, first is given as A, B, C are in AP. I'm going to multiply by -2. Can you multiply?
Yes,
Therefore, they are also in AP. -2A, -2B, -2C. Are in AP?
Yes, sir.
Reason are in AP. This is R in AP. You have to reason it. Each term is multiplied by -2, the resulting sequence in AP. Now the next step, what I am going to do means, every term I am going to add A plus B plus C. You add, what did you get? A plus B plus C minus 2A. A plus B plus C minus 2B. A plus B plus C minus 2C. R in AP. Why? Each term is added with what? A plus B plus C. This is first property is reason is each term is multiplied by -2. Here it is each term is added with a plus B plus C. That is the property. Now each term is added with a fixed number. Now simplify. What is A plus B plus C minus 2A?
B plus C minus
A plus C minus A.
B plus A minus B. A plus B minus C.
R
in
in
AP.
Hence proof.
Yes, sir. So can you do one thing?
Huh?
Can you do one thing?
Now method 1. Now method 2. Method is. Alright, take this one. This you can write it as B is equal to A plus B. C is equal to how much? A plus 2B. Okay. Then this you take it as T1. This is take as T2. T3. Take T2 minus T1.
What comes?
If it is coming, I will slap you. Ready, recite. Recite.
Because solve.
I will solve it. You. No. Solution right. Return the steps.
No.
This is T1. Reason is each term is multiplied by -2. Here each term is added by A plus B plus C. Here apply the property. This is very simple. Other way.
See, not coming, sir. Sir.
Who is that number? Who is that number? Can I use for English?
Right?
Very good. Keep quiet.
Cheating, sir.
You solve it in the paper and show to me. Okay?
Right.
You solve it in the paper and show me. Okay. You forgot what is the method?
Sir, HP is hence proof, right?
नहीं
Sir, he is getting high power.
Complete all of you.
Yes.
Okay. Now, next one. Those who have the doubts and difficulties, ask, clarify.
Everything is
Followed. One fellow is telling, sir, not getting. Yeah. Next question. Sophie, how are you? All good now? Done. You want to read? Okay, read loudly.
First goal for their overall academic performance. If the cost of each prize is ₹20 less than a receiving price, find the value of each of the prizes.
All of you followed what is the meaning of the question? Those who followed, explain how to do it. Raise the hand. Otherwise, read once again. Sanvi, no response, reply is coming from you. Yes, explain what you. What? What is it? 700. Sum of all the cash prices. Yes. And how many cash prices are there? 7 cash prices are there. And what is the relation of the cash prices are given? 20 less than. So if it is the first cash price is A, second cash price will be
A minus
20. A minus 40, that way it is going on. So you have to find out the same cash price. Okay. So right. Let the first cash price be A. Let the first cash price be A. You written.
Yes.
Next step. List of cash prices is. List of cash prices is A, comma A minus 20, comma A minus 40, etc. 7 terms.
Sir.
Yes or no? You don't need to write till if you want to, you can write 7 terms.
The list of
Cash prices is first is A, second one is A minus. All of you followed?
yes.
7 terms. Then where right? It is an AP. It is an AP where A is equal to A. First term A is equal to A. D is equal to how much? Minus 20. N is equal to 7. Sn is equal to 700. A is equal to A, D is which formula have to apply?
Sir, SN is equals to 2A plus N minus.
N by 2 is not there.
Acha.
2A plus N minus 1 into D. Replace all the values and get. Hello? Write the question does not mean that sit and talk. You're doing only required. Remaining part is not required. 700 is equal to 7 by 2 times. Don't copy from me.
A minus 160.
Hey, who is that? All of you simplify and get the value of A. You have the values. A is not there. How did you get 14? Formula is done. This much time is not required. See, you can do 700 into 2 divided by 7 is equal to 2A minus 1. This is 6 into, that is 120. 200 plus 120 is equal to 2A. A is equal to 320 divided by 2. 160. Okay. Bilal, are you following? Bilal, are you following? Sure. What is it? Eating something? Now write the 7 cash prices. Which are 7 cash prices? What is the question being asked? Find the 7 cash prices now. Okay. So which are the 7 cash prices? First is A, means 160. Second one, rupees. Rupees 140. Then 120. Tell 7 terms, write it. Then 100. Only run 1, 2, 3, 4. Rupees 80. 60. 40. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 7 cash prices. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Method is clear.
Yes, sir.
Nishta, doing the sum. Anmeri, read the next question then.
An article can be brought by paying rupees 28,000 advance over making 12 monthly installments. The first installment paid is 3,000 and every other installment will be 100 less than the previous one. Find first amount of the installment paid in the time one. Second, total amount paid is the installments.
Now, all of you listen here. Before doing this question, you have commercial maths is there.
Yes.
Commercial math is there. You have GST is there. Shares and dividend is there. Banking is there. First thing is, do not confuse because you have to, because this is it's again regarding these installments and all. Do not confuse. You have to read and identify it is from which chapter. Okay. So that is very important. It is it belongs to AP chapter means immediately it's in the AP. Examination, it's all mixed only, it is coming. So you have to identify. So how to identify? All of you read the question once again. It should not be like banking and all. Okay, there also you will see monthly installment and all are there now. Okay, so read and identify. Those who followed, raise the hand so that you can explain. Sophie. Yes. Near me. Yes.
So basically, 2,800 is the
28,000.
28,000 is the sum.
Hmm.
And n the number of terms. is
28,000 is the sum.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
That means you read. Sure now. Then what is the second? Did you read the second part of the question? What is it? Read loudly.
Total amount paid in the installments.
That means it should be 28,000 only now. If it is as 28,000 is the sum, means why you need a question like that?
28,000
Understood now?
is the sum.
You wait now, let her explain now. You want to explain? So that there is some problem with there now.
Yes.
Are you followed? Why did you see the second question is what? Total amount paid in the installment scope. That means if you are taking as 28,000 is the sum means 28,000 is the answer, no?
Yes.
Yeah, so that is not. So what is the? That is why you read that question carefully. Then you got it. Your hand is raised. ISL.
Yes.
Sit down.
Number of terms should be.
What is this 28,000 then?
28,000 is the amount which is needed by the.
Oh, that is, so she only said no
But
28,000.
it's not the sum which you get.
That means
after
an
this.
article, you have to sit down. I'll explain. An article you can buy, directly give the 28,000. You have a cash of 28,000, give it. Okay, then you will get the article. If you don't have, they are telling us, instead of paying, you will be given 12 installments, 12 monthly installment or whatever it is, monthly installment. Now, 12 monthly installment adding will not be equal to 28,000. They will charge the interest and all now. So that monthly installment is what? What is the way it is given? You have to pay. First installment is how much? 3,000. And what is the second installment? 20 less than 100 less than. Like, okay, that is the condition is given. Like that, how many installment is there? 12 installment. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
But one method is 28,000 directly give. Or second method is you pay today 28,000, take the article. After that, the remaining 11 installment is 100 less. Next month you give 2,900. Next to next month is 2,800, etc. Understood or not? Are you followed? So right, the sequence of installment is first is how much? 3,000 rupees also right, rupees. 3,000, comma 2,900, comma 2,800, etc. How many terms? 12 terms. Is it an AP?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right, it's an AP. It's an AP. Where A is equal to how much? 3,000. D is equal to minus 100. And if you want to N later, you can find out. What is the first part we need? Ninth installment means T9. T9 is equal to A plus 8D. That is 3,000 plus 8 into how much? Minus 100. Then we are followed. That is equal to 3,000 minus 800. That is rupees 2,200. Okay, that's the first answer. Now, so that's why read. It's not very difficult. When you do the question, you will see that it's not difficult at all. Now, what is second one? Sum. Total amount. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t, which is equal to n is how much? 12 now.
Yes.
So n is equal to 12, and after that, simplify. 12 by 2 into 2 into 3, 6,000 plus n minus 1. How much is n minus 1? 12 minus 1. 11 into minus 100. Did it? How much?
29,400.
25,400.
29,400.
So 6 into how much you got?
11 minus 11.
6,000.
6,000 minus 11.
6,000 minus 1100. That is equal to how much? 649. 100 now?
Yes.
That is equal to how much? Rupees? 29,400. So this is the. So what is the extra amount paid by installment scheme?
29,400.
Understood? Whether is clear? So please try to. So these are questions, sometimes it's confusing. There are pieces from each chapter. So that is one thing. And read the question carefully and see what is it. That in this question, if you ask me very frankly, means they asked to make you to confuse. Because there was no use of 28,000. Where 28,000 coming? How much is the extra payment? 29,500 minus 28,000. Okay, there was no use. That's why you read question carefully and try to understand the meaning. Why? How do you come to know? Because it is the second part it is given. What is second part? Find the sum. If it is sum means you cannot write directly 28,000. No, it is not SN. Okay. Done all of you? Everyone? I don't know. Completed all of you?
Yes.
Done? Chapter over?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Take down.
Which is the question? Oh. First, negative term of the AP. Which is the first negative term of the AP. AP is written over here. 20, 19 1 by 4, 18 1 by 2, 17 3 by 4, etc. Time started for you to do. Which term is the first negative term of this AP? Is it AP? That's the first question. Yes. AP next. So answer is it's not an AP. What is that one? Yeah. Yes. That is done by 4. That is done by 4. You can do. If you can't do, means tell. Is there anyone can try to do it? Yes, at least some people. We'll not do it here. You're showing this or you don't know. Is it an AP?
Yes, sir.
If you don't know, means convert into fraction. Then you'll come to know. 19 1 by 4 is how much? 77 by 4. 18 1 by 2 is same as 37 by 2. That is same as 2 sir. If you want to write this one, 80 by 4. What is checking? What is it? 77 by 4. Then how much? 74 by 4. Yes or no? 671 by 4, etc. will come. Now it's an AP now.
Yes, sir.
Priyanshu, is it an AP? Thank you. So, Who will, actually, all are waiting me to do. If you want, I will do. Should I do? No, then get the answer. Yes. What's the answer? Sidra. Got the answer? Sanvi. Nishta. Priyanshi, don't do these kind of things. So on one side there. Should I repeat the, you wanted to hear that whole story? If you don't know, I will do it. Get on, got the answer? What? Don't show. Nice voice. He written 1 by 8. How did he get 1 by 4? How did he get it? How did he get it? 16 by 4? And he was
AP है but question.
please wait. What is it we are writing and writing? It's like, this is not required to write.
Sir, please wait.
I waited. Time over. Those who got the answer, raise the hand.
No, not.
So I will till the end of the lecture. Look here. All of you followed this on AP?
Yes.
Now listen. What is the value of A? 80 upon 4, 20. Okay, 80 upon 4 we write. D
Minus
minus 25. This much is give, this much you want. What is the question asked? Which is the first negative term? Means Tn is less than 0. Yes. Oh. Then that is A plus n minus 1 D. Less than 0. Yes. What is unknown over here?
And
Also find out. So replace and find out. Inequality all of you know, no?
yes.
CBSE student doesn't know the inequality. They do. You people, we are masters in inequality. Are you get the value of n? 80 by 4. Should I do?
No, sir.
Gayatri. Gayatri is there. Are you doing the sums? Sophie, you're looking here and there and sitting only. Rohit, are you doing anything? Yes. Sleeping.
so 28. Is that?
Finally.
28.
Finally, one person got.
Sir, I did this.
Hmm?
And I said,
People are copying.
yes, sir.
The first negative term is 28 term. N is greater than or equal to 83 by 3. That is N is yeah, huh? Who did that? And why you taking? What you done? What did you do? Tell me. So I will give instead of 20 now I will give 2000. And you will sit and write. End of the day, you I got it. No, yeah. Understood or not? Which is the first negative term?
28.
Okay. So, done?
Yes.
No problem? No. Easy. Easy chapter 100.
Baseline system.
We made the concept.
We made the fact clear, we are done, no?
BB chapter. BB chapter.
Baby chapter.
Similar.
Baby. Right. Close the volume. Yeah. Question. Writing it down now. Question. Yeah. So one thing, you know, all of you listen here. Wednesday, revise similarity and come. No.
Yes, sir.
One. All of you be quiet. All of you be quiet. All of you be quiet now. Wednesday, revise chapter quadratic equation and problems in quadratic equation. So, you should. So, after that, look here, if you know the chapter. Priyanshu, you be quiet. Close your mouth. Shut. Okay. Now, revise your quadratic equation and problem based on quadratic equation. Don't tell me I will revise only quadratic equation. If you know the quadratic equation, then you can do the problem based on quadratic equations. You don't need much to revise in your problems in quadratic equation. Those who feel I wanted to revise problems in quadratic equation means it will be non-empty. Because it's a non-stop thing, you know, I have to do 2-digit number, I have to do speed distance, at least the 100 questions you have to do. You should know the basic knowledge, then you can frame the equation. Okay, because these all chapters you cannot revise so much. These all think and do it. So that is why I'm telling you both the chapter to revise and come. Let me give you 3 questions. Let's see how many people. Problem solved. Why I mean this Sunday you don't have the similarity, that's right. After that, next week I will give similarity. No, then similarity masters, I will see what you do. Then I will also. Yeah. Listen now. Now, write the heading of the chapter coordinate geometry. Right. So, write first coordinate geometry. Don't write chapter number. Write coordinate geometry. Not required, I'll tell you. Now, all of you written coordinate geometry? Yeah. All of you close the volume. 118 man. Oh, Villu, close the volume. What is this 118? Page number. Oh, smart boy. Now, look here. With the help of the coordinate geometry, you have the coordinate geometry is actually it is not the chapter over here right now. Now, with the help of the coordinate geometry, you are getting 3 chapters. One is called reflection, then section and midpoint formula, and the third one is equation of the line. Okay. Now, this is continuation of the 9th standard. A continuation of 9th standard means in the 9th standard you studied one chapter called distance formula. Remembering or not?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, listen. Now, all of you be quiet. Those who know the distance formula, please raise the hand. Those who know distance formula, please raise the hand. Bilal, your hand is up or down? Yeah. Yes.
X1 minus Y1 x2 minus x1 whole square minus y plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
We'll discuss once again, okay? That's the distance formula. Now, with the help of that one, last year we did. Now, I'm going to discuss basic coordinate geometry first is. Coordinate geometry means coordinate of the point and the plane. Cartesian plane. Do you know what do you mean by Cartesian plane? Huh? You are mouth will be always mama. Cartesian, tell what you are telling is correct.
drawn on the
Now look here. Cartesian plane means the plane which contains the x-axis and y-axis. Do you know what is the x-axis and y-axis? Those who know? Yes. Yes, Nishta, what is x-axis? Horizontal line, and y-axis is the. Okay, that means all of you know. X-axis and y-axis are the one is the horizontal line and the vertical line. They are perpendicular to each other. Means make the angle is 90 degrees. They meet at the point origin. Meet at the point is origin. Do you know what is the coordinate of the origin, all of you? 0, comma 0. This all I will not explain again, so you must know this all. Next, next. I just try to listen over here. Graph is this one. Yeah. Now, over here. Now, listen. This one. X-axis and y-axis. Those who know, just raise the hand. I will ask. X-axis and y-axis divide the plane into four quadrants. The name of the four quadrants are first quadrant. Okay. You know which is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant.
Yes,
Can be.
So the right side.
Right side above. Okay, what is second quadrant?
Left side.
Okay, it is in which direction? Anti-clockwise direction now.
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay, sit down. X dash, Y dash. Okay. You know, no, I'll ask all the question to you. Okay. YX is positive or negative? Positive. OY is positive or negative? There are other two parts. Okay, this page all of you know it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, next is number. Do you know which is first quadrant in this figure? Huh? XY. Everything is X or Y. X or Y. Okay. Is what is second quadrant?
X dash
or Y. What is the third quadrant?
X dash.
X dash or Y dash. What is the fourth quadrant? X or Y dash or Y. Okay. Now, in the first quadrant,
Yes.
property. Both X and Y plus. So X and Y both are positive. Shardul, second quadrant. X is negative, Y is positive. Third quadrant. Both are others be quiet. Yeah, sit down. Okay, this much all of you know it. Okay, then next is Priyanshu. I did not ask any question. No, no need. Then don't jump. I'll ask. Okay, along the x-axis. Here, along. Do you know spelling of along? The x-axis. Nobody will tell. There are hands raised. Value of y is equal to 0 along the x-axis positive. This is not x-axis. Along the x-axis, value of y is equal to 0. Right, first statement. Along the x-axis, first time hearing now. Along the x-axis, value of y is equal to x-axis, value of y equal to 0. And any point is of the form x comma 0.
Any point
Is of the form x comma 0. Remember this one.
Yes, sir.
If A is a point on x-axis, means immediately what is the coordinate? X comma 0. Means you have only one unknown. Okay. Below now you can along the y-axis. Along the y-axis, x is equal to 0. Along y-axis, x is equal to 0. And any point is 0, comma y. Any point on the y-axis is 0, comma y. So geography followed?
Yes, sir.
No. Followed, Paka. Okay. Listen. X-axis belongs to which quadrants?
X axis.
What's that question?
X or
Question.
Why did you read that?
Not anyone.
X.
Standard. Tell once again.
Not
X-axis and Y-axis does not belong to any quadrant. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. If a point is given us 2,3, in which quadrant? This is a point in the X-axis. Does not belong to any quadrant. It is on X-axis. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is why remember X-axis and Y-axis does not belong to any of the quadrant. Okay, that much is clear, all of you.
Yes.
Okay, next is. Here's Nishta. X coordinate is also known as abscissa. Right, X coordinate is also known as abscissa. X coordinate is also known as abscissa. And Y coordinate is known as Y coordinate is known as ordinate. Written. If I write -2,3, this is called what? Coordinate.
Yes.
And its abscissa is what?
Minus
and ordinate is 3. That means all of you
Yes,
follow.
sir.
Okay. Next, whom I did not ask the question. Okay, you have to ask.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, here's Pratham standard.
Yes.
Given written one point. Read this one. What is written on here?
Point
P whose coordinate is -2,3 or ordered pair -2,3. It belong to which quadrant? Belong to which quadrant?
Second.
Second quadrant. Now the question is,
Yes.
what is the, listen carefully. What is the distance of P
Yes.
from, what is the distance of P from X-axis?
That is -2.
-2.
3 centimeters.
Over everyone?
3 centimeters.
All of you follow the,
3 units.
now.
3 units. 3
No.
units. 3 units. 3 units.
Okay, Priyanshu standard. What is, who is it? Distance of P from the X-axis. What is the distance of P from the Y-axis?
2 units.
Huh?
2 units.
Now sit down, all of you. Those who are not followed, listen here. If you mark the coordinate, all of you know it. This is the point P. Let's say this is the point. Who is that? Yomi, what happened?
I did not say.
Then who is telling? Say. This is what coordinate? Minus. This is what? 3. Distance from the X-axis means this length. That is how much? 3 units. Distance on the Y-axis is this length. 2 units, not -2. Okay, distance is always. This means part of the people. This is the basic coordinate geometry. Okay. Now, next is coming as distance formula. Already you said. Those who don't know, once again I tell distance between. What this we'll discuss in the which one? The next chapter. Huh?
What is it?
Distance formula, these are not required now. That we will do in the section and midpoint formula. Okay. This basic part of this coordinate geometry, all of you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chapter 12. Heading right. No. This was the coordinate geometry done. Now, chapter 12. Reflection.
Reflection of light.
Right, written chapter 12, reflection. You, what is you? Reflection, written all of you. Yeah. Basically, reflection, look here. All of you listen. It's a very simple chapter again. It's a very simple one. Very easy. We can score the mark. Only thing, don't make mistake. Only three things we are going to study about. One is reflection in x-axis, reflection in y-axis, reflection in origin. Then reflection about a line that we discussed generally. Basically, the line will come. Now, yes, you heard reflection a lot of places now.
Yes.
Yes, it is full of reflection now. Okay, so who will tell reflection who will tell? Okay, reflection, one reflected man. Girl side, no reflection. It's a girl side, one refraction as per two. Stand up now. What reflection you can?
Sir, when a light bounces from the
Line bounces. Hello, reflection. This is reflection. Hello, close the book. Yes. What is the reflection? Okay.
When a ray of light then moves into the same medium, this reflection.
Thank you.
When the ray of light strikes a reflecting surface and gets reflected back in the same medium.
There is incident ray and reflected ray, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
There is another reflection in there. Mirror image, have you heard about?
Yes.
Okay. What is mirror image? Those who not tell me. Virtual image. What is a virtual image?
It's
Very now look. Simple one. Yeah. Yeah. All of you can be quiet. I don't need virtual image and all. Hello, stop talking. Inverted and all, it's not required. You stand in front of the mirror. Stop now. You stand in front of the mirror, you will see your image.
Yes.
Okay, where is this image?
On stage.
on the mirror.
Behind the mirror. Yes or no? You are moving towards the mirror. What happened to the image?
It
Coming towards you. We're going far away from this mirror. That much all of you know. Wednesday's homework, all of you know. No. Yeah. Listen. You have completed the exercise 10.5. You have to complete. There are 3 or 4 questions. Plus. Questions from the quadratic equations. I need all of you need to do minimum of 15 sums. All of you 15 sums.
I didn't know, sir. Yes.